Preparing a beautifully organized nursery for your newborn can quickly feel overwhelming when you are forced to puzzle together separate pieces of heavy furniture into a limited layout. Buying a standalone crib, a changing table, and extra storage dressers not only drains your budget but also crowds the room, leaving you with very little space to move around comfortably during late-night diaper changes. The Graco Hadley 5-in-1 Convertible Crib and Changer completely rewrites your nursery planning routine, packaging an elegant full-size sleep environment and an all-in-one care station into a crisp, classic white finish. This expertly engineered wooden centerpiece bridges the gap between newborn safety and long-term adaptation, expanding effortlessly alongside your growing child to serve as the ultimate foundation for their bedroom from infancy all the way through their teenage years. The headline design achievement of the Graco Hadley is its space-saving, high-utility attachable changing table module. Positioned seamlessly against the side of the main slatted crib frame, this built-in care station features a secure changing surface topped with a water-resistant vinyl changing pad and safety strap to keep your baby stable and cozy. Directly beneath the changing platform, the structure is cleverly optimized with an integrated storage drawer and 2 deep, open storage shelves. This smart layout allows you to keep bulk diapers, fresh onesies, baby wipes, and soothing lotions perfectly organized and within arm's reach, ensuring you never have to turn your back on your infant to search for supplies during a midnight changing routine. Uncompromising chemical safety and air purity serve as the absolute core of the Hadley architecture. Because infants spend up to 16 hours a day breathing deeply inside their sleep spaces, this entire unit is proudly GREENGUARD Gold Certified. This means the wooden components, hardware, and paint finishes have undergone rigorous scientific testing to meet strict emission standards for over 10,000 chemicals and volatile organic compounds (VOCs), ensuring cleaner indoor air for your developing newborn. Additionally, the sturdy framework is JPMA certified and strictly tested to meet all applicable consumer safety regulations, providing a toxic-free, rock-solid sanctuary where your little one can sleep in absolute peace. To adapt smoothly to your baby's rapid physical milestones, the inner steel support frame is engineered with 4 adjustable mattress heights. When your newborn first arrives, you can set the standard crib mattress to the highest position to easily lift them in and out without straining your lower back. As your infant learns to sit up and eventually stand, you can progressively lower the mattress level to prevent adventurous toddlers from climbing out over the sturdy side rails. To maximize your organization, the main body of the crib features a spacious, full-sized underbed storage drawer divided into 2 compartments, providing a discreet, pull-out zone to store extra bedding sheets, heavy blankets, and out-of-season clothes. The true financial and practical triumph of this model centers on its highly versatile 5-in-1 convertible longevity. Instead of forcing you to purchase a brand new bed every few years, the solid pine wood construction transforms seamlessly through 5 distinct sleep stages to match your child's age. When your toddler outgrows the traditional crib setup, the frame converts into a secure toddler bed, utilizing a separately sold toddler guardrail, and subsequently transitions into a casual daybed. Finally, as your child steps into their teenage years, the front and back panels disassemble to function as a beautifully styled headboard and footboard for a full-sized bed frame, ensuring this singular investment stands strong for over a decade. If you are ready to permanently fire yourself from crowding your baby's room with fragmented furniture, protect your child's health with elite GREENGUARD Gold safety standards, and claim a beautiful, multifunctional sleeping hub that packs a crib, changing table, and deep storage drawers into a single timeless footprint, this 5-in-1 convertible system is the ultimate nursery upgrade. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment letting me know if you are setting up this classic white centerpiece for your first nursery or preparing a room for a new addition to the family, and I will see you in the next video.